What's up everyone, it's Al Cheeseman here and welcome to the launch of our brand new software, Hypnotic. Now, this software was designed by myself and my partner Dan Ashendorf, and we make these viral softwares for your customers to get loads of free traffic. Now, Hypnotic is a viral traffic referral software, and what it does is it allows the user to create these mini referral programs which reward the person who's sharing it about, so that the user can capture all of these leads and fully access them. Now, I'm just about to show you inside the software and how easy it is to set up and how it all works. So let me just minimize my video here, and we're inside the Hypnotic dashboard. So as you can see, it's a very comprehensive software. Inside the dashboard, you've got nice graphs which help display the progress of the person's campaigns. Also, on the left hand side here, you've got a bunch of menus. You've got the prizes, the campaigns, the leads, dashboard obviously, training, and also the user settings. Now, I'm going to show you how easy it is to quickly whip up one of these referral programs. And it's really good because it instantly gives incentive for the person to share this around, and they also get told what they'll be sharing too. So to start off, we have to make a prize. Now, it's not a competition, it's literally just where they can unlock a prize. So it's going to be a freebie, or it could be a trial on your software, it could even be a full license, it could be absolutely anything. So this gives incentive for the person to share around the page you desire. Now, let me just show you how this works. So you'd go to prizes and you click add prize. You just press add prize here, and then you tell them what you're going to be giving them once they reach a certain amount of referrals. So let's say we say affiliate marketing ebook. And then the prize description would be download this 100 a day blueprint. And then the prize link would be the link you put in. So I'm just going to put a placeholder in here just so you can see. Now you choose the image for your prize as well. So I'm just going to choose an image just for the purpose of this video. Press save changes. Now the software has saved the prize, which we're going to be rewarding the affiliates too. So now we go to my campaigns and we quickly make a campaign. We just click add campaign here. And now the campaign is going to be the page which the person is going to be sharing. So we could call it something like Instagram ebook. Number of referrals. So this is the number of people we require the sharer to sign up before they can unlock the prize. So let's just put 3 in there. And now we can choose a start date and an end date of this campaign. Now the sharing page information, this just tells the person who's signing up to join this campaign to share it for us. It just tells them what they're going to be sharing. So we could put, you will be sharing an Instagram guide. Now the sign up page is the page which the referrals visitors are going to visit. So we call it something like Instagram ebook. Now this is very basic just for the purpose of this video. Sign up description would be how to grow to 1,000 followers on Instagram. And then the sign up page link. So what this is where the person who visits by the referrer will be redirected to once they complete the email submit. So let's just put a placeholder in there again, just for the purpose of this video. And then we'll choose an image which goes on the page which the person is going to be sharing with people to get you the referrals so that they can unlock their prize. So we just put a picture in there, and then we select the prize which we're going to be giving to the people who are sharing this campaign. Press save changes, and now our campaign would have been put inside our dashboard. So then all we need to do is we just share this link with people who we think are going to be interested in sharing a page to unlock our prize. So i.e. your list, your followers, people following you on social media, stuff like that. And this is a really good software to help multiply your list so that you're putting one person in to refer all these people because they really want to get your next free thing. And in return, you're getting 3 or however many people you want onto your list inside your dashboard where you can export your leads and then email them. So let's just pop the campaign share link in here. As you can see, it's generated our page for us. Refer 3 people to earn the affiliate marketing ebook prize. So the prize title, affiliate marketing ebook, which is what we put in. Prize description, download this 100 a day blueprint. So this is exactly what they're going to get. And then the sharing page information, so you're just telling them what they're going to be sharing. So they'll be sharing an Instagram guide. Now the person who's going to join the campaign to refer for you will then put their email address in here. So I'm just going to pop email address in here. Oh, wrong box. Pop that in there. Put my name in here. And click join campaign. So now the referrer will be given this link here once they've joined the campaign. Now all they do is they share this link around. So I'm just going to paste it in here and you can see. So it's Instagram ebook, how to grow 1,000 followers on Instagram. Really basic stuff. However, this is very powerful because you're going to be getting all of these leads and someone else is doing all the work for you. So now the referral will go ahead and press submit and they'll get redirected to the link that we put inside the campaign, which was google.com. In the other campaigns, obviously, this would be the prize link. Sorry, not the prize link, but this would be the link which the person who signs up gets rewarded with. So we said they were going to get an Instagram guide. This link would have redirected them straight away to their Instagram guide. Now, let's just quickly go back into the software dashboard. Click dashboard here, you'll see the numbers have gone up to today. You then go to leads and you'll be able to see the lead here which was put in. So this is how you can get your list to get loads and loads of free referrals using incentive of a prize. It's really, really easy. We've made this software very simple for anyone to use with easy generated page, very simple stuff, and this works. We've got a bunch of testimonials too, which will be presented inside the JV page and also on the sales page. Thanks so much everyone for joining our launch. We really appreciate you, and also, of course, we reciprocate you too. Thank you very much.